Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. In today's presentation, we are going to tackle the following question. The data below shows ages of 24 children playing hide and seek game in a village. Find the tally and frequency for each age category. So to help us tackle this question, we will need to draw a table indicating the various age categories we have, and then find the tally for each age and then summarize that by indicating the frequency for each of the age provided. So let's have the table. And then the first column we will indicate the age, and then the next column we will do the tally, and then the final column we will summarize the frequency of each of the tallies. So the age, we will use the unique numbers for each of the age, starting with the smallest to the largest. So we will identify the age values. So here we have the smallest being 5, so we indicate here 5. Then it's followed by 6, so we have a row for 6. Then we have 7, and then we have 8, and finally we have 9. So we will complete our table and tally for each of the values of age, and then summarize the frequency of each of the ages. So we will look for the 5s in the data points. So after identifying the value, we cross it out. So we have 1, 5, so we tally 1, then we look for another 5, seems like there is no other 5. Then we move on to age 6, and then we cross 6, we tally 1, we cross this 6, we tally another 1, we cross this 6 and we tally 1, we cross 6 and we tally another 1. So if we get another 6, then we will have to bind these as 5 sets. So we look for another 6 and we have 6 here, so we bind this, and that is a set of 5. Then we have another 6, so we cross this one and add another tally. Then we move on to age 7, look for the children whose age was 7 years. So we have 1 7 here, we tally 1, we have another 7 here, we tally another 1, we have 7, we tally, and then we have this 7 here, we tally that 7, then we have this additional 7, we bind the tallies, then we have 7, we have additional 1, then we have this 7, we have an additional 1. Then seems like we have exhausted all the children whose age was 7 years. Then we move on to the next age, which is 8 years, and we will repeat the same procedure. So we identify 8 years here and we tally 1, we cross this 8 and we tally this other 1, we cross 8 and we tally here, we have this 8 and we tally there, we have this 8, we bind the tallies, then we have this 8, we tally here, we have this 8 and we tally here. So seems like we have exhausted all the age which corresponded to 8 years. Now the remaining one is age 9, so we have 9 here, we tally 1, we have another 9 here, we tally 1, we have finally the final 9, we tally 1 here. So to get the frequencies, we will just count the tallies. So we have 5 appearing one time, so the frequency here is 1. Then we have 6 appearing 5 plus 1 times, so that gives us 6. And then we have 7 appearing 5 plus 2 gives us 7 times. Then we have 8 appearing 5 plus 2 gives us 7 times, and then we have 9 appearing 3 times. So this gives us a summary of that dataset in tallies and in frequency formats. That brings us to the end of our presentation today. Looking forward to seeing you in our next presentation. Thank you.